My name is Adam Lenneman, and I am with the Green Executive, a landscape industry peer groups and consulting firm, and I'm also a owner-operator at Lenneman Lawn and Landscaping. A LMN Workshop, from my perspective, really looks like a in-depth, comprehensive look at really how to build a budget with inside your landscaping business, and that really allows you to understand all your financials and be able to estimate your jobs profitably by using that budget. More specifically, when we go through the process of building a budget with LMN software, but just really building a budget in general, it really allows you to understand that when you estimate your jobs and you come out ultimately with a final price, how your price is derived or how you get to that final price. And much of it has to do not only with your labor and your equipment and your materials, but very much also with your overhead. Things such as your salespeople, office equipment, all different types of things that you may have as expenses that ultimately are required for you to build a profitable landscaping business. One of the most common things that people end up being like, aha, that's something I didn't think of, was simply the fact that there is the overhead in a company, and you should be charging for that, and you should also be charging for your equipment. There's things that we discuss inside of a business as basically working smarter, not harder, such as using efficient equipment and so on, to make sure that you're able to provide services efficiently and profitably. One of the learning outcomes that people walk away with after attending an LMN workshop, really in my opinion, is that they now understand that you can't just estimate based off of how a job looks. You have to come up with the proper numbers and to build that estimate based off of a multitude of things. And by doing proper measurements and looking at jobs in person and inputting all that data into the software, it is going to give you a customized pricing that you can provide to your client and provide a customized proposal. You can learn more about attending the LMN workshop simply by going to golmn.com and click on the training section of their website.